Hello, in today's quick information video we will be talking about ChatGPT for social media. So, firstly, ChatGPT can assist with customer service inquiries, providing timely and accurate responses to user questions and issues. This can help to improve user satisfaction and reduce frustration. Secondly, ChatGPT can act as a personal assistant for users, providing reminders, recommendations, and suggestions based on their preferences and usage history. This can help users to stay organized and informed, while also improving the overall experience of the platform. Thirdly, ChatGPT can help users to generate content for social media posts, including captions, hashtags, and even complete posts. This can be practically useful for users who may struggle to come up with ideas, who are looking to improve quality of their content. Fourthly, ChatGPT can analyze social media trends and provide users with insights of what currently popular on the platform. This can be useful for users who are looking to stay up to date with the latest trends and optimize their social media strategy. Fifthly, ChatGPT can assist the translating message and posts for users who speak different languages, helping to bridge language barriers and improve communication. Lastly, ChatGPT can offer mental health support and resources to users who may be struggling with their mental health, providing a safe and supportive environment for users to express emotions and receive helpful guidance. So I asked some tips from ChatGPT on the question ChatGPT for social media. You can, for example, read it what ChatGPT answered me. And overall, ChatGPT has the potential to change social media experience for users by providing personal assistance, generating content, analyzing trends, and improving communication. Our social media continues to play an increasingly important role in our lives. I believe that ChatGPT will become a tool for users and platforms alike. So, guys, thank you for listening this quick information video. If you like and want some tutorials about it, how to do something, please leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.